Okay guys, this is a live withdrawal on Hala app. Yes, once you reach up to 100 points, 100,000 points, you can withdraw your money. So watch me as I place my withdrawal right now. So you go to points. Once you tap points, it will load like this. Yes, if you have frozen points, this place the right frozen point. That is where you will see it. So for you not to have frozen points, make sure that you always do exchange, at least buy coin, even if na small one, 1,000 2,000 you buy, play game, gamble, gift yourself. This way they will not frozen your point. Okay, so here the right cash out, that is where we are going to do the transfer. If you don't have any means of transfer, maybe you want to transfer your point to someone, it's here the right transfer. Yes, you enter the person's ID and check if it is the person. True. You enter the amount, which is 100,000. Then you transfer. But now I have means of withdrawing my money, so I'm not going to use transfer. So I'm going to use cash out. Okay. So once you are here, so guys, you tap currency type. Okay, currency type. So anyone you want to use, is it USDT? Is it ePay? Is it Binance? Then you come and see countries. These are your countries. You look for your country. As I'm a Nigerian and I'm using my Nigerian account. So I'll tap Nigeria, currency type. Then you tap payment method. Have you seen it? It has come out. OPay, bank transfer, PalmPay. So I'm going to use my OPay. Okay. I tap it. I bring my OPay. So my account information is already here because I've already buying this account here. This is not my first withdrawal. So that's why you're seeing my account information is already here. So for today, $1 is 1,460 naira. Yeah, for today. So if you check it's okay for you, you continue. If it's not okay for you, maybe you can wait now when it's for 15416. So for me, I'll go ahead. It's okay for me. So I'll go ahead and put how much I want to withdraw. Okay. So yeah, 100,000 points. So this 100,000 points is 14,600 according to today's exchange. So for you, as once you tap your currency type, Nigeria or any country, then you come to payment method, you tap your payment method, choose the payment method you want. Then the next thing is they will bring out information here like this for you to fill. You fill your account number and your name. Me, I'm not filling anything because mine is already binded. So once you are done with that, you put the amount you want here now. If it is more than 100, maybe it's 200 you want to withdraw, this one now you just clean it and write 2 there, or 300 you clean it, write 300,000. Okay, so any amount you have that you want to withdraw, you just input it there. That's all. So I'm going to go ahead and place my withdrawal right now. Withdraw. So they ask you to put your verify payment password. So you need to, when if it's your first time, when you come here, you create a password that you'll be using to withdraw from here. Okay, so me, I'm going to go ahead and put my password right now. Success. So I've placed the withdrawal. It has gone. Have you seen my balance? 17,033. That is my balance right now. 17,033 points. So let's go to message. It's not yet. It has not yet come. This was the first one I withdraw. 14,000. This was the first one I withdraw. 14,841. So within a small time now, it will